Oh my god, Percy, I'm so mad right now. Wait, I'm not just mad, I'm frustrated. Why, Thomas? Because, Percy, I want to go to the beach. I don't want to pull trucks all summer. I understand you, Thomas, but we have responsibilities on this railway. We can't just do whatever the fuck we want. Fuck those responsibilities. I had to fell down an entire bridge because you fell asleep during the job. Well, I had to chase an entire drug engine in the middle of the night, so take that. What's going on here? I heard some noises. Well, I'm sorry, Emily, but Thomas over here is complaining about work. Yeah, because I'm tired and I want to go to the beach. Well, Thomas, the railway is really busy, so you better get your butt to work. Fine. Why does Emily act like she's the boss of everything? She's clearly not. I can't believe it. And I can't even go to the beach because the world hates me. Look, Thomas, I don't like working either, but I have to do it because we have to please Sir Topham Hatt. Whatever. You know what, Percy? I'm done. Will you please shut up, Thomas? I am done because I had to hear your fucking ass mouth every single day that you want to go to the beach. Well, fuck you, Percy. You know what, Thomas? You're one of the worst friends I've ever met in my life. Percy, you don't actually mean that, do you? Yes, I do mean it, Thomas, because you've been annoying me the entire day, that's why. But Percy, all I wanted to do was go to the beach. I'm sorry, Thomas, now get some sleep. Light bulb. Maybe I can wake up at 6 o'clock, which is when the beach opens. And then I can go to the beach and play in it all day. It's morning time to go to the beach. Holy fuck! It's better than I thought it would be. Oh, am I going to enjoy this? Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Ooh, ooh. Percy, what was that for? Well, Gordon, I just woke up today and when I looked at Thomas, he was gone! Percy, are you that stupid? Probably Thomas woke up early yet today. Oh. But wait, wasn't Thomas supposed to be taking a train to the Steamworks today? You're right, but you think he took it? I don't know, because yesterday he said he didn't want to do work anymore. He might have gone into the beach. So Percy, since you're his friend, why don't you take the load if it is there and I'll go check at the beach to see if Thomas is there. That sounds like a plan to me. Percy, where are you going? Sorry, I can't talk, Emily, I have to go. Weirdo. Okay, I'm done. I hope Gordon has found Thomas. Okay, let's see. What the fuck? Oh, hey, Gordon. Look, I built a sandcastle. Thomas, you better get down from there if you don't want to get hurt. Oh, come on, Gordon. Don't be such a party pooper. Why don't you join me? Alright, Thomas, I will join you. I think it would be pretty fun.